To recover deleted Instagram messages, you first have to navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Continue to click on the top right corner where you see these 3 ellipses and click on it. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Make sure to scroll down until you locate your activity and click on it. Then with this selected, scroll down to the bottom until you locate download your information. Make sure to click on this. Then continue to click on download or transfer information. Then you have the option to choose whether you want to download all available information or some of your information. In this case, let's proceed to click on some of your information. And then again, on this interface, you can scroll down and select which of the information that you want to select. In this case, we're going to click on messages. After selecting on messages, continue to click on next. And then again, on this interface, you have the option whether you want to download to this device or you want to transfer to a destination. So whichever option that you want to pick, you can then proceed to select it. In this case, let's continue to click on download to this device. And then again, you have the option to select the date range, whether you want it to be last year. In the event you want it all time, you can then proceed to click on this and then select which of the options that best suit you. In this case, we're going to click on all time. Then after that, you can then proceed to click on save. And with the format, you have the option to choose whether you want it to be HTML, and with the notification, whether you want it to be notified via this particular email address. In the event you want it to be a different email address, you can then proceed to click on it and select the email address that you want it to be. In my case, is this one, which is 𝗕𝗓𝗓𝗕𝗓𝗓@gmail.com. Then after that, you can then proceed to select the quality, whether you want it to be of medium range or you want it to be of high quality. But take note, when it's of high quality, it may take longer time to download. In this case, we're going to maintain the medium. After that, you can then proceed to click on create files. If you want to recover any of your deleted messages on any platform, I recommend you to visit this website. On this website, you could be able to change your GPS location both on your iOS and Android devices. And you could also be able to recover lost data from iOS or Android, and as well as on your Windows, Mac or hard drive. And best of all, you will be able to unlock iPhone screen lock, Apple ID, MDN lock, and more, with an added extra bonus of being able to fix all iOS, iPad or tvOS problem without losing a single data. This, of course, you won't get it anyway unless on this platform. You'll be able to bring the best solution to save you from trouble at all time. Make sure to click the link in the video description and get these packages at unbeatable prices. I'll leave a link to it in the video description. Feel free to visit it. And back to our video. After that, when you click on this create files, when your recovered deleted messages are ready, it will be notified to you in this email address. That's it. You have successfully recovered your deleted Instagram messages. As I said, it's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.